We probably need to take that plywood down. And
Please let me.
What? Yeah. Yeah, well, I mean, yeah, sure.
Just kick it. You want to run through it?
Hey, he killed 2 deer. He's feeling really manly right now.
I'll let you get that.
Got it. Got him. Excited about closing on this one. Right now, house has been hard to find. Over Christmas, I kind of got a little relaxed for 2 or 3 weeks and I wasn't on my game pushing. We had a pretty big increase. The same amount of units, it was just more expensive houses and it was a more profitable year too. So all in all, it was a great year. So this house is, like I said, is a burned house. Why I want to get moving on it quickly today after we close is I need to order windows. And windows right now are, 3 months out. So I need to order windows quickly. Here's the deal. I don't want the sellers in here, I don't want to pull up like a production of me buying this house. So probably just stay out here a minute. Hey guys, how are y'all? Hey, how are you? A lot of times these old owners are not always quick about moving their stuff out. So there's still a car and some other stuff there that we're trying to get them motivated to get out of there. All right, so this is the house we just went and closed at Jeff Palmer's office. It was a house that burned. It's like a townhouse. And since it was a firehouse, it's gonna need everything. It's gonna have to be rewired, all new plumbing, new heating and air. So it's a really big remodel. Hey Scott, head to the back, buddy. Hey man, what do you call these, Scott?
They're floor trusses.
Floor trusses, engineered floor trusses.
Yep.
Why would somebody use these versus like 2x12 or 2x10?
Because they have these big open webs where you can put all the
Plumbing and heat and air,
yeah,
electrical.
without having fur down.
Right.
On the I-joist, we can cut holes, but only an 8-inch hole.
Right, yes.
This gives you a lot more.
So is this as strong as a I-joist?
Yeah, it can be, yes.
So an I-joist is like a 2x4 and a 2x4 and like a piece of OSB.
Correct.
Yes. The reason we're here is because we are needing to look at these windows and try to get a window order out fast because I just closed on this thing.
Okay, cool.
Okay. What is that? You got a fire safe after you had the fire. That's like a oxymoron. Yeah. We're gonna put the dumpster where my car's at.
All the way.
And then he's gonna have to be just emptying this thing as often as he can. I just never imagined I'd be able to keep the windows. I just think we need to plan on ordering sash kits because for a few $100, I'd rather have it on the way.
Vapor seals for sure gone.
Huh?
This vapor seals for sure gone on this one.
Okay.
Okay. 2 of those. What are we gonna do on this door?
You get that.
Got it.
Because it's a condo, you have to get everything approved that's different from what.
Well, here's the deal. We won't have to get this door approved, but if I painted it hot pink, I would get in trouble. But if I paint it the same color, it'll be fine.
So you want to put the same door in here?
That door's gonna be expensive as hell, ain't it?
I mean, it's a steel door. It's not that fancy a door. It's just all this.
Yeah.
Yes?
Like 1,800?
So I would guess 12.
Okay,
Yes.
let's price it.
That's nice right there.
What you got?
Woo! So somebody's been using that.
What are you treasure hunting, Noah?
What?
Are you treasure hunting?
If there's any bats up here.
Any what?
Any bats?
Bats. Like there you could do sashes, right?
Yeah.
And look, I'm not opposed to putting a damn,
Door there.
yeah. I just wonder if they'll let me. I don't know why they wouldn't.
Why wouldn't they?
Man, if you had a triple door, Scott, that would be so awesome, brother.
Let me see what I got.
I mean, if we had to go ghetto, we could just go put the door to the right and put a little piece of trim up there and then put anything new to the left.
Let's look at getting to Scott's.
Okay. Masonite's a terrible product.
Yeah, well, it's basically compressed cardboard, and it's actually not a bad product if it's installed and maintained.
Meaning painting and recalking and things like that.
Any water gets in, if you're not caulking and painting every 5 years, water gets in, it destroys the product. Whereas Hardy Plank, they cannot caulk for 10 years, and if water gets in, it won't affect the product. That's why.
Yeah.
It's a cement-based product. Can you find that out? I may have a big quad door.
Do you? Hell
Maybe,
yes.
Maybe, but I need to check.
Okay, well, yes. So just know that if we could let's just try to find something we could use right here. I guess this is really salvageable, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not alligator. That right there.
Used to be Elf on the Shelf.
I don't know what the hell that scared me.
That elf on the shelf down went to hell.
Is that what that is? Yeah.
Oh my
I
God.
think that's Elf on the Shelf.
That is elf on the shelf.
With a football helmet on.
Poor guy. No more Christmases for him. This is the worst part in here. Everything else can be easy.